following message is transmitted at the request of the Craig County Police Department. During the last hour, hundreds of 911 calls have been placed, and the caller would say that they keep hearing voices and it is making them go crazy, and then the line goes dead. If you hear any voices that are unfamiliar or disembodied, please contact emergency services immediately. We will now return to normal programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Craig County Police Department. During the last 30 minutes, even more 911 calls have been placed, but instead of crazy people, it is only whispering voices. This is an extremely peculiar event, and the police are investigating this event. Again, if you hear disembodied or unfamiliar voices, please contact emergency services. We will now return to normal programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Craig County Police Department. At this time, the source of the voices have been found. It appears to be an unknown anomaly affecting the human mind. This entity makes the victim go crazy and either makes the victim kill herself or kill others. The police are working with various agencies to try to see what the anomaly is. If you begin to hear whispering voices, please lock yourself in a secure room to stop you from hurting yourself or others. We will now return to normal programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Craig County Police Department. It is recommended to immediately temporarily deafen yourself, as doing so will almost guarantee your survival. Homicides and suicide have risen to 1,500 deaths altogether. Again, it is recommended to immediately temporarily deafen yourself. We will now return to normal programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Craig County Police Department and the U.S. Department of Anomalies. We have found the anomaly. It seems to be some sort of humanoid supernatural being. This being's face was shown during the recent broadcast hijacking. The being is currently thought to be hiding somewhere in the woods, causing the voices. Thus being intentions are unknown. And it is unknown why this being is manipulating people into harm. Once this being is found and or discovered why it is doing these heinous actions, we will let you know immediately. We will now return to normal programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Craig County Police Department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. It appears that the creature has disappeared, and its effect has worn off. Also, everyone who temporarily deafened theirself should be hearing again normally now. Again, this is an all clear message. We will now return to normal programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Craig County Police Department. It appears that the voices are back.